So, this is a very simple but powerful positive mindset boost meditation, really bringing out the best of you in lots of different ways. Wonderful to keep practicing to really rewire the brain to begin to seek out the good in life, the good in you, and the good in other people. So hopefully you're sat in a nice comfortable position. I wouldn't lie down. I don't know about you, but this tends to lead towards sleep. But you do you. But if you can sit with your back up straight, letting go of any tension around the neck, around the shoulders. And just begin to close your eyes and connect with the breath. Just becoming aware of where do you feel the sensations of the breath the most. Is it through the nose? Chest? Stomach? Or somewhere else? Just want to say welcome, by the way. If you've never meditated with me before, I'm Paul Sheppard, and welcome to the Mindset Change podcast. And can you just give a quick thank you to you for showing up and doing this type of practice? It really does make a difference, not only to your life, but to the people you connect with around you. And I'm also grateful you're here. And with that, we're going to tap into some gratitude. Something I love to do with gratitude is just to recognize that here in this very present moment, with your attention fully in the here and now, you have everything you need. The idea that you need something else is a future concept. But right now, you have your level of health. You are wealthy and abundant. You have the privilege of being able to do this exercise with me. So give yourself a wonderful inner smile, just imagining you are smiling deep inside. And feel grateful for everything that you have, everything that you're experiencing right now. What else could you feel grateful for? Just bring those thoughts to the forefront of your mind and just become aware of how you feel, where you feel gratitude within the body. Now we're going to dig a little deeper into your subconscious mind. And I'd like you to allow from the subconscious memories to rise to the surface like bubbles from the bottom of the ocean of memories where you felt alive, laughing, passionate, and joyful. Even if it's just a memory of you smiling, feeling peaceful, allow that to come to the surface too. They are there. And now I'd like you to think of someone that you have a deep and loving connection with. It could be a family member or partner. Do you know what? It can even be a pet. And I'd like you to see them getting what they want in life, looking ecstatic and truly happy. And from your heart, I'd like you to wish this person well with a bit of metta, a bit of loving kindness. So you can say inside your mind, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you feel loved. May you feel inspired, and may you be at peace. And now, do the same for yourself. Give yourself a wonderful inner smile. And from the heart, see yourself getting what you want in life. See you looking happy, ecstatic, living with joy. And then say to yourself, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be loved. May I feel inspired. May I feel peace. Just bathe in that energy, that goodness, for a neurochemistry boost. Beautiful energy that's flowing through you and around you right now. And I know we normally start with an intention for today's practice at the beginning of the meditation. But let's create an intention now for how you're going to be for the rest of your day. I'm choosing to be present, to be happy, to be inspired, and to live with joy. What about you? If that suits you, use the same or create your own. And just for the last few moments of this meditation, just sit. Allow your body to relax with each out breath. Maybe with that inner smile on your face, enjoying some peace. And then when you're ready, you can bring yourself back to your surroundings and open your eyes. Think about what you can take from today's practice into your day. Again, thank you so much for listening and joining me for this meditation practice. If you've not yet subscribed to this show, please do. It means the world to me. Also, please share it with anyone you think would benefit from this meditation or this podcast. And also, if you can, leave a review. Remember to stay awake today, be aware, and have the most incredible day.